House selling to us, off market, actually works. No realtors, no fees, no repairs, just a straightforward process that's actually super easy. Step 1, get a hold of us, call us, fill out the form on our site, or send a text. Tell us about the property. No pressure, no commitment, just a conversation about your situation. Step 2, we'll review the property. We walk the property in person. You can share photos or videos with us too. We look at the structure, the systems, the neighborhood. Any condition is fine. That's kind of our thing. Step 3, we'll make you an offer, a fair written cash offer, typically within 48 hours. No haggling, no games. Take your time to review it. We're not going anywhere. We're going to be honest with you too. If something else makes sense, we'll tell you. Step 4, we sign a purchase agreement. If you accept, we sign a simple purchase agreement. No realtor contracts, no commissions, no hidden fees, just a straightforward document between buyer and seller. Step 5, escrow handles the rest. A local escrow company manages the closing. They pay off any existing mortgage and liens or dues, handle the title transfer, and make sure everything is clean. Often we can close in as little as 2 weeks. Step 6, you receive payment. After closing, you get paid. Wire transfer or check, your choice. Mortgage paid off, liens cleared, proceeds in your hands. You're done. What happens next? We renovate it right. We gut renovate the property from the systems up. Drainage, foundation, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, then kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, and finishes. No shortcuts, no flipping. The end result, a great tenant moves in. A quality tenant falls in love with their new home. We hold the property, we maintain it, we keep it in the condition it was renovated to. Your house ends up in good hands forever.